You've been told the 401k is your best shot at retirement. Tax smart, employer matched, totally under your control. But here's the truth, it wasn't designed for you. It was a loophole for executives that Wall Street hijacked. Now your future is locked away, while they get rich charging you fees to hold your own money. You take all the risk. They collect fees either way. This isn't a retirement plan. It's a prison disguised as freedom. The 401k wasn't invented to replace pensions. It was a tax dodge that got out of hand. Companies saw a chance to ditch pensions, cut costs, and dump risk on you. Suddenly, you became your own investment manager. No training, no guarantees. But the real trick? You're getting charged from every angle. Fund fees, admin fees, transaction fees. Some buried so deep you'll never find them. A 2% annual fee can quietly erase half your lifetime savings. And most plans? Stuffed with overpriced garbage chosen by whoever gets kickbacks. Wall Street loves the 401k. Your money gets locked up for 40 years. They profit every year, whether your account grows or tanks. You can't access it without penalty, but they can charge you nonstop. Advisors legally steer you toward funds that pay them more, not you. Some plans only offer high-fee in-house funds. That's not investing. That's entrapment. Remember Enron? Workers lost everything because their 401ks were full of company stock. Now imagine that same setup, scaled to the entire economy. And here's the worst part. The median American has less than $5,000 saved for retirement. Meanwhile, Wall Street has raked in trillions from your savings. So what do you do in a rigged game? Start by slashing your fees. Low-cost index funds only. Avoid anything over 0.5%. Ask HR for the breakdown, they legally have to give it to you. Don't fall asleep on your investments. Rebalance, diversify. Never put all your eggs in company stock. Leave your job? Roll your 401k into an IRA. More control, fewer fees, and push back, demand employer contributions. Support stronger Social Security. Because retirement shouldn't feel like gambling with loaded dice. You shouldn't need a finance degree just to not die broke. The 401k didn't fail because you didn't try. It failed because it was never built for you. Wall Street turned a loophole into a trillion-dollar trap. They sold you freedom while locking your money away. You're not investing. You're paying rent to retire. And if you don't know the rules, you're the product. Even the guy who invented the 401k said, "I created a monster." Share this video with someone still stuck in the system. Subscribe before they feed drain the internet too.